Hi, today I have the pleasure of tracing the portrait of a dog that belongs to some very close friends of mine. Her name is Sepia. I chose this super cute photo of her and I added a few extra details on top in Procreate. I thought there was a lot of negative space at the bottom of the photo, which gave me the opportunity to add some extra pieces. So with the brush tool and dark gray on low opacity, I just go for it. I really love tracing with the freehand tools. It's as easy as pen on paper, and I honestly find it super relaxing. So put some music on and just follow along the contours of your photo. With the same color, I'm tracing the darker shadow areas in order to give more depth to my illustration. Even if you are not super familiar with drawing shadows and highlights, the photo tells you everything you need to know. After I trace the nose, I decide to check on my progress. Simply hide the photo layer. And I think it's nice, looking like Sepia already. Without using the photo, I added some highlights and the small dots that mark the presence of each whisker, and the whiskers themselves. I do this with fill off and stroke on. Alright, let's finish up the body. I have a fairly flat brush, but you can even use the pencil tool or any other brush that you want. And I have the smoothing at around 50%, so the smoothing is not too soft, not too harsh, it's just right. The frisbee is even easier to make. Just draw an oval with the ellipse tool and make some small edges with the node tool. The details on the frisbee, on the other hand, I'm creating with the pen tool. But you can continue using the pencil tool if you want. There is no right or wrong here. Same as before, I added details without the photo. Just freehand whatever feels right. Perfect, time for the decorative elements. Some leaves, some flowers, and lots of colors. Let me tell you a bit about Sepia. She has two modes. She plays or she sleeps. There's literally no in between. So I thought that all these details just show her explosive energy. Since these shapes are so simple, I love using the pen tool. My advice for you is to start from the tip of your shape and take it from there. This will ensure you have as few nodes as possible. I think the pen tool is like a vector artist's deadliest weapon. You can achieve so much with it, and it feels like second nature once you have practiced enough. But again, the pencil tool is always a great alternative, and I end up using it for some of the shapes. I decided to fill some of the leaves in, and I also made the details on Sepia's body less prominent by lowering the opacity. Alright, I think I'm gonna stop here. I love this portrait so much, and so did my friends. Sepia looks almost as cute as in real life. We're really excited to see what portraits you guys create. Tag us on social media, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in our next tutorial.